The definition of erectile dysfunction is the inability to get or maintain erection sufficient enough for sexual intercourse. Erectile dysfunction is far more common than people think. The percentage of erectile dysfunction generally correlates with age, so men in their 30s generally have a 30% rate of erectile dysfunction, men in their 40s are 40%, 50s 50%, and so on. There are many causes of erectile dysfunction. This includes untreated high blood pressure, untreated high cholesterol, smoking, untreated diabetes, sleep apnea that is not treated, and obesity. These are just common amongst many men, and that's why erectile dysfunction is so prevalent, because there's so many untreated causes of erectile dysfunction. There are many treatment options for erectile dysfunction, including pills and injections, but at Limitless Male, we use a specific procedure that is called Limitless Pulse. It's a low-intensity shockwave therapy that is designed to rejuvenate the penile tissue in order for patients to be able to get and maintain sufficient erections. We are basically tricking the body into thinking there's an injury in the penile tissue. This is important because when the body senses an injury, it will turn on its natural healing ability. The body does this through many different pathways, which includes inflammation, which is going to shuttle blood into the tissues to help create new blood vessels and repair the muscle tissue there. When patients do experience erectile dysfunction, it is due to a vasculogenic or low blood flow state. What this means is that there's not enough blood flow to the penile tissue, which leads to erectile dysfunction. The Limitless Pulse procedure, what it's going to do, it's going to help the body create new blood vessels through the inflammation pathway. And in addition, it's going to help the muscle tissue in the penis be able to absorb blood better and to maintain an erection. The benefits that patients will see is improved erections, stronger erections, and they will also see more spontaneous erections because that tissue is healthier and the blood flow is significantly better due to the treatments. Due to the minimally invasive nature of the Limitless Pulse treatment, generally patients have little to no pain. There is no anesthesia required, whether that's local or general, and most patients can resume their daily activities after the procedure. Most patients can have sexual intercourse after the procedure because there is virtually no pain associated with it. It's incredibly safe because it's so minimally invasive and does not require any needles, it does not require any scalpels, there's no surgical procedures, we're not breaking any skin. The patients who get the best benefit from the treatment are patients with mild to moderate erectile dysfunction. These are patients who have difficulty getting an erection or can get an erection but just can't maintain it, and they're using oral options with some success or not even having success with those. Generally, these patients will see the best improvement and the best results. And there's no age limit on the treatment. Patients in their 30s can do it, patients in their 60s and 70s can do it also. While the Limitless Pulse treatments occur over 6 to 8 weeks, the results last much longer than that. Generally, patients get 12 to 18 months of results from this and will require 1 to 2 pulses after that every year. If you're experiencing any symptoms of erectile dysfunction, speak to your provider today or go to limitlessmale.com to schedule a free consultation.